This video highlights some of the new and updated features of Brightspace Learning Environment 10.8.11. The icons used to attach content to activity feed posts have been updated. Instructors can now use the built-in annotation toolbar in assignments to provide feedback. The D2L Tools, System, Features, Annotations, Configuration variable must be set to on to access these features. Note: D2L does not recommend annotations for use with assistive technology. This feature implements PI items D838, D4591, D205, D3304, D2936, D4134, D4958, D5028, D3772, D1217, D2183, D1940, D4056, and D352. When assessing an assignment, your instructors can now click Annotations to provide contextual feedback with highlighting, freehand drawing, shapes, and associated commenting. Improvements have been made to assignments. Learners can now submit CS file types as an assignment submission. The Publish All feedback on anonymized assignment submission permission has been renamed to Publish All feedback on assignments. In assignments, the Publish All feedback on anonymized assignment submission button has been renamed Publish All feedback on assignments to align with the permission names. This feature implements PI items D4935 and D4835. The Publish All feedback on assignments permission must be set at the organization level. There is a new engagement dashboard available in the Insights portal, which includes 4 new visualizations: course access, assignment completion, time the learner spent in the course content, and current final grades. You must have the new Can See Engagement Dashboard permission for Insights at all the org unit levels, an existing Query Data Platform for Brightspace Data Platform at the organization level. The legacy Brightspace Insights console has been removed. All the data represented inside the legacy console is available in the Data Hub. For a list of impacted configuration variables and removed and replaced reports, review the release notes. The ReadSpeaker integration now displays the ReadSpeaker controls when interacting with applicable content. This feature implements PI item D5132. SCORM content reports have been updated, and there are 3 new buttons to access reports for selected topics and users: Summary, Interactions, and Objectives. For more information on the SCORM specifics of each new report, review the release notes. Course Import now supports the import of packages defined in the IMS QTI 2.1 standard. Packages in this format are handled and processed by the Course Conversion Service and imported into quizzes. Lessons has been significantly updated for learners to offer a more streamlined and intuitive interface. These features require the new D2L Tools, Content, New Learner Experience, Configuration variable to be set to on. The Table of Contents page now includes a Continue tile, allowing learners to quickly resume from where they last viewed content. Completion tracking allows a learner to see their overall completion of each module in the course. Click Continue to view the content topic in full screen. In the navigation panel, learners can return to content, review a previous topic, or move on to the next topic. When learners complete a module, they are congratulated on their achievement or reminded about incomplete content topics. A new interface is available in Manage Extensibility to edit OAuth 2.0 apps. This feature implements PI item D3751. You can now specify the default state of imported or copied quizzes as active or inactive. Set the new D2L Tools, Quizzes, Import Copy Default Visibility Configuration variable to reflect the preferred default state of imported or copied quizzes. The default value is active. This feature implements PI item D3482. The checked rubric icon now displays only when a rubric has been fully scored by the instructor. Instructors can now enter a score for a criterion on a points-based rubric before clicking on a level within the rubric. When assessing a learner, click the Grade Out of score for a criterion to assign a point value before selecting the level within the rubric.